Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to create a course sales funnel in Systeme.io quickly and easily. First, log into your Systeme.io account. From the dashboard, click Funnels. Now click Create, enter a name for your funnel, such as Course Sales Funnel. Choose the sell goal and click Create. Systeme.io will automatically create the basic funnel structure for selling your course. Open the sales page and click Edit Page. Choose a template that best showcases your course. Add a strong headline, course overview, learning outcomes, instructor information, and the benefits students will receive. You can also include testimonials, student reviews, course modules, and frequently asked questions to increase trust and conversions. Next, customize the call to action button to direct visitors to the checkout page. Open the checkout page and connect your digital course product, pricing, payment methods, and access settings. After a successful purchase, students can automatically receive a welcome email with their login details and course access instructions. Click Save Changes and test the entire funnel before publishing. That's it. You've successfully created a course sales funnel in Systeme.io. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out the channel for more quick Systeme.io tutorials, software guides, and online business tips.